the world. Can you walk towards at the end? No!
Walk over here? Walk
No,
out there.
that's enough.
Mm-hmm. Very cool.
What kind of tree is this? Wow. It's really cool in here. You can put bed in here and sleep in the night.
Huh.
God. Go, get it again.
It's pretty cool.
It's a small dome.
Nice little stream.
It's a nice little stream. Last time we were here back 2016. Hardly no water.
Hardly any water.
Hardly any water. Nature trail, so we will go follow the okay, can I click to click picture? Okay, this is the trail. Let's go up.
If they have any poison ivy for us to touch.
I don't want to touch poison ivy. Whoa, I like the sun rays. July 4th weekend. What was it? Touch and See Nature Trail?
Yes.
In Finch Arboretum. Along the freeway. As you can hear. The cars. 4th of July. I forget how long is this trail.
It's about a half hour to go around the loop, I think.
It is beautiful in here in the fall and spring. It's beautiful in the summer too, like right now. But in the fall must be more beautiful, right?
You need to come here in the winter.
In the winter, oh no. I don't want to walk in the snow. Oh, oh, there is a way in here, right there in the middle. And here, I remember when we were here before, we go here in the right.
Thought we walked that way, didn't we?
Yes.
No, but if we walk that way, we're just gonna get right to the end of it already.
So where do you want to go? Here?
Well, I think we have to go up that way.
Right here? Go straight?
Oh, no, wait, it is over here. Because there's the thing, the signs over that way.
Yeah, that's where we went before. See, that's the trail. The rope. Follow the rope.
I forgot to mention that this trail is made for blind people.
Oh, this trail is made for blind people. That's why it's called touch and see.
And all
because
the stuff is in Braille.
see, the blind can touch that one. And then right there. Where is that mountain mahogany? We're going down to the other end of the trail because this is a loop. Probably 0.5 mile. What's this? Berry.
I can't remember what those are called.
Some kind of berry.
Eat one.
Huh?
Eat one.
No, it's for the birds. It's a nice, beautiful day with the blue sky.
We're right by the freeway, just like at home.
Right by the freeway.
Out in the nature by the freeway.
Hey, at least we don't need to go too far.
Ooh, go up here.
What's in there? Be careful. Oh, it's a place to camp. Oh, be careful there.
Want me to jump?
Yeah, right. We will end up in the hospital.
We'll find some flowers.
Oh, we're almost there. No, it's only probably like how many
I
feet?
know, it was only,
It's not half
only like a
mile.
quarter of a mile.
Tabi-tabi. Tabi-tabi po.
Tabi po.
Oh. Wow. We arrive in the destination. Destination on the right. Okay, so since we arrived, we will take a picture here.